In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email forward to Gmail in Siteground. We'll start by setting up the email account inside Siteground that your messages will forward from. This is a necessary first step before you turn on forwarding to your Gmail inbox. Begin by opening your browser and heading to your Siteground account dashboard. After signing in, look for the main navigation and choose the websites area. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed, and it's the quickest path to the tools you'll need. Find the website you want to work with and open its Site Tools. Site Tools is the control panel for that specific site. Once you're in, focus on the left-hand menu and locate the email section. Inside there, go to Accounts. This is where you create and manage the actual mailboxes for your domain. If your account has more than one domain, make sure the correct domain is selected at the top. Forwarding only works from the exact domain you intend to use, so confirm you're on the right one before you proceed. Next, choose the option to create a new email account. You'll be asked for an account name. Pick something that matches your purpose, like a role-based address for general inquiries or a personal address for individual use. Keep it short, memorable, and relevant to how you'll use it in Gmail later. You'll also set a password. Use a strong, unique password and consider a password manager so you don't lose access. Even if you plan to forward everything to Gmail, this mailbox still exists on the server, and you may need to sign in directly for occasional checks or troubleshooting. When you're ready, click Create. SiteGround will provision the mailbox, which normally takes just a moment. After it's created, you should see it listed among your accounts. That confirms the address is live and ready to receive mail. With the mailbox in place, you're set up for the forwarding step to Gmail. Forwarding is configured from the same email area in Site Tools, and you'll point this new address to your Gmail address so messages land in your Gmail inbox. Once you add forwarding, send yourself a quick test from an external address to confirm delivery. If you later want to send mail from Gmail as this new address, you can configure that in Gmail's settings and improve deliverability by ensuring your domain's DNS records, like SPF and DKIM, are properly set through your host. That's it for getting the SiteGround email account created, which is the foundation for forwarding to Gmail. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to complete the forwarding setup and start managing everything from your Gmail inbox.